Hello, I'm Marc Alvarez, and we're here today at Downers Grove South High School to find out students' thoughts on the issues. Let's go. Hello.
Hello.
What are your thoughts on the issues?
They're pretty bad.
What issues?
What do you mean?
Yes.
They're getting out of hand.
Why do you think that?
It's just my thoughts. I don't care to explain.
Look, what's up, YouTube? Is this YouTube?
This is not YouTube.
Okay. Hey, shout out to my channel, Jamie Rel Savage.
How do you think this interview's going?
Thank you. It's pretty good. You know, it's no issues. That's how I like it.
Communism. The workers will take back the means of production.
Can you expand on that?
What are the issues that we were talking about?
I asked the questions, not you.
All right. Well, the issue of issues can be
because the issues are really important.
Many people are saying you're not saying anything specific. What is your response?
Being specific isn't necessary. It's overrated.
Thoughts on the issues?
Trump should resign from office.
Is that a political...
Is that a political what?
How do you think this interview is going?
Not too great.
I think this is going quite well. This is a great interview. I feel very comfortable. I have complete knowledge of all the questions and all the other factors.
I would agree. We're done here. Hello, my name is Marc Alvarez, and that is the issues.
What you gonna do now?